it's your girl MaKay, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can achieve this look. So I'm going to have timestamps in the description box showing you guys if you just want to see the hair or if you just want to see the makeup, then yeah, so you guys don't have to watch both, or if you guys want to skip around, you know. So I'm gonna be sure to check the description box for timestamps. Also, before we jump on into the video, I just want to say, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and turn on my post notifications. If you guys want to see me in a better setup, aka not like all over the place, then you guys have to subscribe and support. Oh my gosh, I just realized that I've had, oh, wrong thing. Dang it, MaKayla. Oh, okay. Woo. I just realized that I've had my curling iron still plugged in this entire time. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's just get on into the video. So first, what you're going to need is a good old blow dryer. So yeah, so I started blow drying my hair, and I'll probably insert clips of me beginning to do that somewhere. But I'm gonna blow dry it just a little bit straighter than it is right now, because that's just what I'm gonna be doing. So as I blow dry my hair, I'm going to be spraying it with this lightweight Argan Oil. I don't really know the exact name, so I don't want to make up something. So the exact name will be in the description box, and here is a picture of it. I'm basically blow drying my hair a little bit straighter, just because if you guys can't really tell, but the back of Okay, so to curl my hair, I'm going to be using this 1/2-inch Conair curling iron. Honestly, I use this as a wand. I've never bought a wand. I always just buy these like little 1/2-inch curling irons, just because I don't know, I hate when like wands go from like fat to skinny. I don't know, it makes the curls ugly to me. I don't know, I hate it. But anyway, this curling iron was only like maybe under $20 at like my local CVS or Walmart. You can really just get any 1/2-inch curling iron though. It does not have to be by Conair. hairspray is by Mizani, and it's just like a humidity resistant hairspray, so it's not like a hard hold. I really don't like to use hard hold hairsprays, especially on my real hair. Okay, so now my hair is like pretty much done. I am gonna go back through and fix a couple pieces when I'm done, but I just went and laid my edges, and okay, I didn't really do that hot of a job, but this is good enough for now. Just for, yeah, I probably will fix them when I'm done with my makeup. If I do, I'll show you on camera. I'm thinking about making like a separate a separate brow video. What am I talking about? A separate edge video. And yeah, if I do, because I just feel like it's gonna take too much time to really explain and show you guys how I do my edges. So if you guys are interested, because I feel like everyone does their edges differently, but if you guys are interested in seeing me do my edges, then tell me in the comments and I'll be sure to do that. So what I really like about this hair is the fact that because it's blow dried and it's not bone straight and it's already kind of poofy and big and frizzy, the chances of your hair poofing out and becoming bigger and frizzier, it's just gonna get cuter. It's not gonna, like, one, it's probably not gonna happen, and if it does happen, it's just going to be like a minimal amount, and it's just gonna get cuter the more it poofs. So that's why I really like it. So at the end, I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this on it. It's gonna give me a little bit more shine to the hair, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so that is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys also learned something, found something you like, found something that you're gonna try out. So if you guys try out these looks, be sure to send me pictures on either Instagram or on my Twitter. I'm probably gonna try to post them on my Instagram story. So yeah, if you guys would like that, then, you know, send me pictures of you guys trying out my looks. And yeah, be sure to give this video a like, comment, and be sure to subscribe. Also, please be sure to turn on my post notifications so you guys will be notified the next time I upload. Do y'all hear that, baby? Okay, so that's it. Bye, guys.